What is the single most valuable lesson an investor should learn? Here at Southbank Investment Research, this is something we ask ourselves quite a lot, and in recent times we've been asking our editors that, so we can give their answers to you. My name is Boaz Shoshan, and welcome to an episode of Investing Lessons Learned the Hard Way, so you don't have to. I'm joined today by Sam Volkering, our tech specialist here at Southbank Research. Sam has been dabbling in technology stocks and other niche technology opportunities for quite some time now, and he writes Revolutionary Tech Investor. Sam, what would you say is the most important lesson that you could give to either a veteran or a beginner investor?
Well, to keep things nice and succinct, I guess the most important thing that I've certainly learnt over my extended period, over a decade in the markets, is that when volatility strikes, is to not change up your game plan for the long term. And I say that because I learnt this the very hard way. Going back to, I think it was about 2014, I'd been dabbling in cryptocurrencies for a little while by this stage, but around 2013, 2014 was the first explosion of what we call altcoins.
Right.
And I had one. I had several, to be fair. There was one in particular that that operated in what we now call a staking mechanism, so that you could put your crypto in a wallet and it would generate rewards as being part of the network. So I had a pretty healthy swathe of this particular crypto in my wallet. It was generating staking rewards, so I was getting more crypto ongoing. But then the backside fell out of the altcoin market, and I mean like in a big way. Like, people have seen the crypto winter of 2018 and 2019. Yes. Has got nothing compared to what it was like the first time around. So it like this healthy holding was worth like $17 or something US dollars at the bottom of the market. And there it stayed for quite a period of time, and it was just like, I can't handle this kind of volatility. You know, just felt like it was a bit of a waste of time. And you know, the altcoin thing was quite new, and it was hard to really see the long-term potential of what was being built and what was on offer. And as it panned out, you know, things continued to build behind the scenes over the next couple of years, and then into 2017 and 2018.
But what did you do at the time, back in?
I sold them out. I sold out.
Right.
So, like I said, you know, the long-term game was to get involved in cryptocurrencies, hold on to them for the long-term, 20, 30 years, and see if this sort of monetary experiment was going to pay off. But I sold out. I sold them back into Bitcoin when they were like $17 worth, and just had some extra fragments of Bitcoin at that stage. And then, as we said, 2017, 2018 rolled around, and the crypto that I'd sold out of exploded in value. And because I hadn't been staking for those extra few years, you know, the potential build-up of crypto that I could have had would have probably roughly doubled the actual holding that I started with. And as it pans out, the rough gain that I missed out on by converting at the bottom of the market because of the volatility, I missed out on about 1,029,033% gain.
Damn.
Because the volatility got too much for me, and I didn't stick to my long-term plan. So, you know, you can do the sums on what $17 US dollars into a million and a bit % gain works out to. So, lesson learnt.
Right, so stick to your guns.
Stick to your guns.
Yeah, and of course that doesn't apply just to crypto. I mean, it's to anything. But yeah, the volatility, crypto does volatility like nothing else, it seems. It's
like nothing else.
Right. But your lesson: stick to your guns, and always keep a long-term view, despite the short-term noise.
Yeah.
Sam, thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you, Boaz.
Well, there you have it, folks. That was Sam Volkering's most valuable investing lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. But you might be asking yourself, who is Sam Volkering? Who am I, for that matter? And what is Southbank Investment Research? If that is the case, just give us a look on Facebook, on YouTube, or on our website, southbankresearch.com, and you'll find more content like this, and you'll find out a bit more about us. Thank you very much for watching.